Have you ever heard of the yield curve inversion? It sounds complicated, right? But what if I told you it's one of the most reliable signals for predicting a recession, and more importantly, a massive opportunity to build wealth? Stick with me, because today we're breaking down exactly what the 2026 yield curve inversion means for you and how you can position yourself to get rich. First things first, what exactly is a yield curve inversion? Imagine you're lending money. If you lend it for a short time, say 2 years, you expect a certain interest rate, or yield. If you lend it for a long time, like 10 years, you'd naturally expect a higher interest rate to compensate for the longer risk. Normally, the graph of these interest rates, the yield curve, slopes upward. Long-term bonds pay more than short-term bonds. Simple. But sometimes this relationship flips. Short-term bonds start paying more than long-term bonds. This is a yield curve inversion. It's the bond market screaming that it's worried about the near future. Investors are so nervous about the short-term economy that they're piling into long-term bonds for safety, driving down their yields. Historically, every single U.S. recession in the past 50 years has been preceded by a yield curve inversion. It's like the financial world's storm siren. So why are we talking about 2026? Because that's the time frame many analysts are watching. The economic pressures, the interest rate policies, and global events are all creating the perfect storm for a potential inversion and subsequent recession around that period. When this happens, most people panic. They sell their assets at a loss and run for the hills. But that's not what we're going to do. We're going to see it for what it is, the single greatest wealth-building opportunity of the decade. Recessions are like a massive sale on everything. Stocks, real estate, valuable assets, they all go on discount. The key is not to be caught off guard. The key is to be prepared with cash, ready to buy when everyone else is selling in fear. This is how legendary investors like Warren Buffett have made their fortunes. They buy when there's blood in the streets. So, how do we get ready for this 2026 sale? Step 1 is to build your war chest of cash. Right now, in the years leading up to the potential downturn, your priority should be saving and increasing your income. Cut unnecessary expenses. That daily $5 coffee, that's over $1,000 a year you could be putting aside. Look for side hustles or ways to boost your primary income. The more cash you have ready, the more firepower you'll have when assets go on sale. Think about it this way. If your favorite store announced a 50% off sale in 2 years, you wouldn't show up with an empty wallet, would you? You'd save up so you could take full advantage. This is the exact same principle, but for assets that can make you wealthy for life. Step 2 is education. You need to know what to buy when the time comes. Don't just throw your money at anything. Start researching now. Look at high-quality blue-chip stocks, companies with strong balance sheets and a history of surviving downturns. Think of giants like Apple, Microsoft, or Coca-Cola. These are companies that aren't going anywhere. When their stock prices drop 30, 40, or even 50% during a recession, that's your entry point. You're not just buying a stock, you're buying a piece of a world-class business at a deep discount. Over the long term, as the economy recovers, these stocks will rebound, and your investment could double or triple. Spend the next year or two creating a watch list of 10 to 20 solid companies you'd love to own if they were cheaper. Do your homework, understand their business models, and be ready to act. Step 3 is real estate. Recessions can also create incredible opportunities in the housing market. As interest rates rise to fight inflation before a recession, housing prices can cool off. During a recession, you might see more motivated sellers and fewer buyers, leading to lower prices. If you've been saving diligently, you could be in a prime position to buy your first home or an investment property at a price you might not see again for a decade. Again, preparation is key. Work on your credit score now. Get it as high as possible. Save for a substantial down payment. A larger down payment not only makes your offer more attractive, but also reduces your monthly mortgage payment and saves you a ton in interest over the life of the loan. Start talking to mortgage brokers to understand what you can afford and get pre-approved when the time is right. Step 4, and this is crucial, is mastering your mindset. The hardest part of this strategy isn't saving the money or doing the research. It's having the guts to buy when everyone around you is panicking. The news will be filled with doom and gloom. Your friends and family might tell you you're crazy for putting money into a falling market. You have to remember that fear is a market timer for the masses, but opportunity is a market timer for the prepared investor. You need to be greedy when others are fearful. This psychological fortitude is what separates the wealthy from everyone else. You're not gambling, you're executing a well-thought-out plan based on historical data. Recessions don't last forever. The economy always recovers, and when it does, those who bought at the bottom will see life-changing returns. Let's recap the plan. 1. Build your cash reserves now. Save aggressively and increase your income. 2. Educate yourself and create a watch list of high-quality stocks you want to buy. 3. Prepare for real estate opportunities by improving your credit and saving for a down payment. And 4. Develop the psychological strength to buy when everyone else is selling. The 2026 yield curve inversion isn't something to fear. It's a signal to get ready. It's a roadmap to a massive, predictable sale on wealth-building assets. While others will be caught in the storm of panic, you will be the calm, prepared investor, ready to scoop up deals that will set you up for financial freedom. Don't wait for the siren to sound before you start preparing. The time to start building your war chest and your knowledge base is right now. The next few years will determine who gets wiped out by the next recession and who uses it to get rich. The choice is yours. If you found this breakdown helpful and want to learn more about how to navigate the economy to build wealth, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We're on this journey together, and I'll be sharing more strategies to help you win. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.